Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the watermarks in video in CapCut. Alright, go to media and import your video or just photos you like to edit. And for example, I'm going to select the video. I'm going to add the text watermark. Just click text and the whole text and just for the duration is the main. And then I'm going to change for the text. All right, for example, see, yeah, change for the font style, change for the font color, and etc. So to make it like watermark, you have to adjust for the opacity and blend option, just to know not blend, right? In basic, scroll down until you find the blend option and adjust for the opacity, turn down until this text is transparent. So you can see text transparent like watermark. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.